Hi, want to get back to the land, get in tune with nature. Potato! So, it's come to my attention that some of you want tips on growing food. Well, I'm your man. So this video is for you. It will either turn you off the concept altogether, which is fine. Don't stress. Just do something else. Yeah, do something else. It'll come back to you. You'll do it another time. Or you're going to get some tips on how to actually do it right. I personally like the garden. I just don't normally have time. But in the current situation, I seem to have lots of time on my own. Anyway, time. So so I started digging a couple of weeks ago because I didn't really know what else to do. Everything else seemed a little abnormal, but digging somehow seemed real. So I started digging, then I made a big plan, and I made too big a plan, and I've done loads of digging. So don't make my mistake. Do less digging, make a smaller plan, a more achievable plan, do less digging. But if you want a garden, you will be digging. All right, here we go. I'm your man. Digging! Today we're planting potatoes. These are potatoes. These are potatoes. This is a potato. Seed potato. So you can buy them from your local farm supply shop, which they are in every town around Ireland. They don't have logos and big signs like Woodies have. But don't go to Woodies, go to a farm supply shop where you get a better product for a much better price. Woodies are pricks and they overcharge. They just have easy access. And if you're in Dublin or somewhere where you think you don't have a farm supply shop, get on the internet and try it, you might. Or at least go to an independent supplier. Like a independent garden store. Don't go to Woodies! So, potatoes like well drained, well dug, well manured, sunny soil. Doesn't have to be warm because potatoes grow from India, which is warm, to Iceland. Potatoes grow everywhere. Potatoes will grow. So they're a really good one to start off gardening with, and particularly for a new patch of soil, because they grow. So you can't do a whole lot wrong, but you can do more right. So it depends how much you do to how much crop you get. Potato! So important thing to know when you're growing potatoes is the spacing. These are called your potato drills. You dig these out, put the soil onto the side. Then you put your potatoes in and then you pull the soil back down over them. Each of the drills are about 1.5 feet apart. You can also make them a bit wider and give a bit more space. These are more like 2 foot apart. Then each of your potatoes is about a foot apart themselves. That's roughly a foot. Those ones are dug. This one isn't finished being dug. This is how you dig. This is called an upside down shovel. If you don't have one of these, just use a shovel. Digging! Then you get your potato. Make sure if there's anything growing out of it, like it's sprouting, that the sprouting is going up, because those are plants that want to go up to the sun. They're not roots. It's growing, going up. You put it in, then you measure a foot. You get another one, and you put it in behind that. And you go on and on like that. And then, once you've got that done, you just fill them in. much like that. And then you go all the way up along the row. So there's a certain amount of digging to be done. So if you like digging, you're in the right place. If you don't, you just buy your food. Digging's hard on your back. You can't go to the shop and buy a new back, but you can go to the shop and buy potatoes. Currently, so yeah, that's my potato growing 101. I'll show you maybe as they go on. You can grow your own way.